All right, guys. I've been asked, how do I get the color bleed out of the white? Recently, I was asked in one of my live streams how to get the color bleed out of the white color. Well, here's how. As you can see, this rug has color bled onto the white, purple and stuff like that, right? This is the tool I use. It's one of those pet scrubber brushes, attachment for your vacuum. You could have your vacuum hose also do this work, but it's not as efficient. You bring your rug to the edge of the table. With the attachment, one hand you're going to be sliding your rug down on the corner, and the other hand you're going to be brushing or vacuuming the strands until you've done it the whole rug. Again, you could do it with just the hose attachment, and I'll show you that in just a second. Now, as you can see, this area right here is much cleaner than that area right there. As you can see, there's a clear line of that color. All right. Hope this helps.